Is your Shopify store struggling to get noticed by customers, resulting in no profits? If that's the case, it might be due to SEO issues. Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we'll address Shopify SEO issues and explore the tools and steps to resolve them. These strategies will ensure that your Shopify store ranks on the top and maximizes your profits. So let's dive right in. In this video, we will start by assessing your website's current ranking status. Then we'll address some fundamental aspects you might have overlooked that could be impacting your website. Afterwards, we'll ensure that your website is searchable on Google. We will guide you through linking your website to Google Search Console and setting up a Google Analytics account for tracking your website and the customers. Next, we'll dive into Search Engine Optimization or SEO of your store. This process is divided into three parts. First is Technical SEO, where we'll look into the technical side of your website. Next, we'll explore the On-Page SEO, where we'll learn about the keyword research and use different elements on your website to help it climb the search engine rankings. Finally, we'll discuss off-page SEO, which involves strategies to ensure that other platforms link to your website, ultimately boosting its rank on search engines. So let's begin by checking if customers can find your website on Google. So whenever a new website goes live, Google sends its bots or crawlers to index it. You can verify if your website is indexed. For this, you can use the site operator by typing site colon your website name. So let's do this for your website. So let's go to Shopify admin panel to find your website's domain name. Click on settings and go to domain. So this is our domain name. Just copy this. Go to Google search, write site colon your domain name. So we have zero results, indicating our website is not yet searchable on Google. Now let's check for some common mistakes. First, ensure that you have removed any password protection. While it is a basic step and I know you must have done it, but it is very important to confirm this. Go to online store, click on preferences. Now you can see option of removing password. It means it is not yet removed. So go down and uncheck this restrict access to visitors and click on save. So this is done. Secondly, make sure you have a custom domain and not one containing Shopify in it. A custom domain is essential for proper indexing. We have made a video on selecting a suitable domain name for SEO, and you can find the link in the description. Now let's check our domain. Go to settings, click on domains. So here you can see our domain contains my Shopify in it. So we have to remove this. For this, we can buy new domain by clicking on it. Write down the domain you want to purchase. Check for the availability. It is available, so buy domain. You can fill in the details and make the payment. You can see that it is costly here, so you can also purchase this from other websites. Just go to Google search, write purchase domain, click on any link, go to GoDaddy or Hostinger or any other platform, write down the domain name, click on search. So you can see it is available for only 49 rupees as compared to the amount which was shown on the Shopify. So it is very less over there. Go back. You can also add your existing domain and write the domain name over here. So I do have a domain name and I want to make a subdomain so that I can add it over here. I have bought it from Hostinger, so I'll go there. Go to Edge panel, click on websites, choose your website and click on manage. Click on domains, subdomains. Now write down the subdomain you want. So I want shop.buzzards.com. Click on create. So it is created. Now I can go to this website shop.buzzards.com. So yeah, it's live. Now I can map shop.buzzards.com to the Shopify. So I'll write it over here and follow the instructions given by Shopify. I'll share this link in the description below. So I have to add the A records and CNAME records. Go to H panel, click on domains. DNS name servers. So here go down and find A with name as shop. So edit it and put the IP which was mentioned on the link. Then we'll find the C name which has www as name and copy this over there. So here it is. Yeah. So we'll edit and write the target as given in the website. So yeah, now go back to the Shopify admin panel and click on verify the connection. So yes, it is done. SSL will also be updated within some time. Now that we have confirmed these basics, let's submit our website for indexing. This involves submitting the sitemap to Google, which indexes all the pages on your site. To do this, we first need to link our website to Google Search Console. So go to Google Search Console, click on the first link, click on Start Now. If you have whole domain, then put your domain name in the domain, like buzzards.com. Click on the Continue button, choose CNAME and just copy and paste these data in the DNS and name server record as we have done it before. Then click on Verify. Now let's remove it as of now. And if you have a subdomain like I have, then enter the URL prefix and click on Continue. So you'll be having a HTML tag over here. Just open and copy it. So go back to the Shopify admin panel. Go to online stores. Go to themes. In the current theme, go to these three dots. Click on edit code. Go to this theme.liquid. Then in the code after head tag, paste this and save it. And you can go back now. Go to Google Search Console and click on verify. So yes, it is connected. Now you can go to property and yes, you will see the data over here. Now click on sitemaps to submit the sitemap. Write sitemap.xml. Click on submit. So it is already prepared by Shopify. We just need to submit it. So yeah, it is done. It's showing could not fetch. Okay, just go back and refresh. So it is done. Now our website is submitted for indexing. We can also request instant indexing for individual pages to expedite the process. Since Google receives numerous requests, this can speed up indexing and help your page appear in the search results sooner. You can write the URL at the top or go to URL inspection in the left menu and write any URL of the page over here. It will get the data from the Google index. Click on request indexing. And yes, it is added to the priority queue. Now, we will monitor website traffic and gain insights into our visitors by connecting our website to Google Analytics. It will help us in serving them in a better manner. Go to Google Analytics, click on the first link, click on sign in, start measuring, write down the account details. Account detail is somewhat a broader term and you can add multiple properties over here. Check the boxes and click on next. Write down the property name. So as of now, I'm writing shop.buzzards.com. You can select the time zone and the currency. Yes, next. Now you can select the business category that you are working in and the size of the business. What is your motive? You can select over here. So as of now, mine is to drive online sales. Now accept the terms and conditions and click on I accept. Now since we do have a website, so I'm selecting web and here write down the website name or domain name you can say. Give it some name also. Yeah, so create string. So it will give me tag ID, measurement ID you can say. We can just copy this. You can also see the steps to install it manually and to install it with a CMS. So here for Shopify also you can see the steps to add it. You can read it over here, but I'll show you how to do this. Go to online store, click on preferences, go down, you will see this manage pixel here. Click on it. You can click on this add sales channel above or go down and read whatever it is written over here and click on add sales channel from this button. So yeah, now it is giving us option to click on connect. Just click on it, log in with your email ID, allow, click on connect again, and just verify if this tag or property name is same as what we have done in the Google Analytics. So yeah, it is same. Click on connect, and yeah, so it is done. You can just close these instructions. So yeah, you have successfully created your account and property. It might take some time to reflect the data on the Google Analytics main page. Click on save. So this process may take a few hours or up to a day or two to become available. With these steps, we have made our website searchable on Google. You can check again using the site operator. Write down site colon shop.buzzards. So currently only one result is available because only one page has been crawled so far. Other pages might take a bit more time, so be patient with it. In the meantime, you can check if any issues are preventing the indexing of these pages. To do this, we will start with technical SEO. So firstly, let's identify if there are any pages with 400 or 500 errors or any other issues. For this, go to Google Search Console, click on the first link, click on Start Now. Now in the left menu, go to Pages. So you can see the number of pages which are not indexed and the reasons why they were not indexed. You can open it and see the pages which were not indexed. Fix this issue and click on Validate Fix to verify. Secondly, we have to ensure that your pages are compatible across desktop and mobile devices. For this, click on Mobile Usability and you can see the number of pages which are usable and not usable on the mobile phones. It should all be in green. You can also see and rectify the errors by scrolling down. Now, thirdly, we will create internal links to signal the importance of specific pages to the search engine. For this, go to your Shopify dashboard, click on Products, click on Collections. So you can see the collections which are already made, and here you can see the products to which it is pointing to. You can also create your own collection. Go to Collections, click on Create Collection. Write down title and click on Save. Now go down and add the products. You can either search for it or browse. Click on Browse. Select the products that you want to add in the collection. Next is optimizing images for quick loading. Go to Products. You can click on any product, and here you can see you have added the image. We should optimize this image. For this, go to a link. I have shared this link in the description below. Write Shopify image resizer, click on the first link, and you can resize your image by uploading here. You can select the size that is large or small or medium, whatever you want, and just optimize it. You can also use product tags to enhance Google search. Also, consider using a CDN or content delivery network for faster loading times. It is available as plugins in Shopify. If you want to know more about what is CDN and how it makes your website faster, you can watch our video. I have provided the link in the description. Now let's move on to the on-page SEO. To boost your website's ranking, focus on embedding relevant and low competition keywords. Efficient keyword research is essential. You can watch these videos to understand the keyword research process and tools for implementing it. The link is shared in the description below. Once you've selected your keywords, incorporate them in the properties available on your page. You can add keywords to the heading, description of the product, the meta title and meta description, which is the title and description shown to the users on the Google search result page. You can also add keywords in the URL and alt text of the images, as all of these play an important role in ranking your page. Now let's see where we can do this. Go to Products, Click on any product. So you can see the title over here, camera. You can add keywords over here. Now next you can see the description. You can add multiple keywords over here. Then go down. Here you can see search engine listing. Click on edit. And from here you can edit the page title, meta description, and the URL handle. So use keywords over all these places. Then go above and go to the image. Click on it. And here you can see add all text. You can add the text over here and click on save. Apart from this, don't forget to add H1 and H2 headings wherever relevant. Lastly, review performance recommendations from Page Speed Insights website to enhance your website speed and performance. The final part is off-page SEO. It is crucial to work on external factors beyond your website for improved rankings. Now start by creating a Google business page to enhance your local SEO and establish your online presence. You must be thinking why. You can go and see it yourself. Just search by your company name and you can see it gives a full screen space on Google search if you have a Google business page and someone searches by your company name. So you can see it here. You also have the images, all the social media handles, the pages and website. For creating a Google business page, go to your Gmail account, click on manage your Google account. Go to people and sharing, click on the add your business and products to Google. Write down the business name, continue, select the business type, write down the website of your online store and click on next. Write down the business category of your business. Enter the address of the business. It is a very important step and ensure that you give a detailed address. As of now, I'm just writing a short address to show it to you. But this might be a reason because of which your business might not get approved. So ensure to give a full address. Select where you are located. Write down the phone number or you can also skip it. Click on continue to put the business on map. Now select a way to get the verified. Write down the email ID. Click on next. And write down the verification code that you must have received on the email ID. Click on verify. Now you are verified. Now you have to add the business hours. Here I am adding 24 hours, but you try not to write 24 hours and give these specific timings because this can help you in getting your account verified. Enable the messaging, write down the business description, click on next, add the photos of a business, click on next. You can skip the advertisement as of now, or you can start if you want and just continue. So yes, it is live now. From here you can see the performance, the website, how it looks and all. You can also manage it from here itself. Lastly, share your product, service or blog links on social media platform to build brand presence and improve SEO. By now, your website should be ranking higher. It may take about a week for all the pages to propagate, so be patient. Also, do try to get backlinks from other relevant influencers or friends or blogs. This helps significantly in improving your website's authority. So that's all from my side. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe if you like this video. You can comment below in case of any questions. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.